Hey guys, how's it going? Eliza here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Amazon affiliate link, because you should not be sharing anything online for free. Okay, so quick points that I do want you to know before you go into the tutorial is, first, when you create your account, you do need to have somebody actually use your link. So you need to make a sale within at least 180 days. Okay, at least 180 days. If not, Amazon will close your account. It has happened to me twice. I opened up my account long time ago, and the two times, because I'm very ambitious, I made no sales. I was not focusing on that, and did get it shut down. You do need to have, another point is, you do need to have either a website, or what I'm trying out now, which is what you're going to see in my tutorial, is a YouTube page. And the YouTube page that does have some you want to make sure you have some subscribers first before you get on there. And make sure you have a disclaimer on your videos, because I think, so here's the thing, guys. I've applied 4 times. The first 2 times I got it shut down because I did not make a sale within 180 days, and I believe you do need to make at least up to 3 sales. My second page got closed down, but I think it was because of the website I was using. I was using my e-commerce store, which at the time I had my Billionaire Coming Soon site, and that got removed. And now you're gonna see in the tutorial I am doing my YouTube page, which now I'm gonna be uploading much more videos on affiliate marketing and drop shipping. So make sure you subscribe, and of course, if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. I'll see you guys inside.
All right, guys, so you're going to go straight to the Amazon website, and then you want to scroll down to this part right here. And then you want to check out this section where it says Make Money with Us, and we're going to click on Become an Affiliate. Then you want to go ahead and click Join for free. See, I'm already logged in, but technically it will ask you to log in, so you will go ahead and log in. And then you have to fill out this information. This is going to be the information of where the money is going, right? So you need to put your name in here and then your address. Of course, I'm going to blur all of this out so you guys don't know my information. So if you've ever done any affiliates, you know that this is the way it goes. And if you've never done any affiliates, this is usually the information they're going to ask you, because you need to get paid, which is the most important part, right? So the pay listed above, you're doing this for yourself, unless you're doing it for somebody else, then you click that. Next. They're trying to tell me that the address is incorrect, so let's click on selected, whatever. Now, this part right here, you need to add your website, okay? Oh, you can add up to more than one. I want to use my YouTube, actually, because I want to try my YouTube, guys. Y'all are going to be my test dummies to try my YouTube. So let me go over here and get my YouTube link, because they recently disabled my account, as I mentioned earlier, and you guys are going on a test drive with me to see if they approve this, because I need my Amazon affiliate link back. Hello. Right here. So paste, add, enter your mobile app. I don't have any apps yet. Next. Are any of the websites on mobile directly primary agriculture under? No. Confirm. So you can create like the name, right? Because it's gonna say, whenever you share this link with somebody, this is exactly what it's gonna be. This is what's gonna show to them. So you want to make sure you put something here that's obviously your name. So I'm gonna put Eliza C29. So what is this intended to promote? So again, you guys are test driving this with me. I don't remember what I did in my last one. internet marketing, products used for my e-commerce site. And you don't want to say make money online, right? So internet marketing, products used for my e-commerce site, and other, and teaching on how to start your own e-commerce business. I am taking this for a test drive, yo. So I guess this will let you know where you can really talk about retail, general merchandise. Computer software technology. What type of Amazon items do you intend? Books. Digital downloads. You know what? Maybe I wonder if I could put my podcast on here. Books. Electronics. Clothing. Computers and office. Content. What type? Search. It's a YouTube page. So, how do you drive traffic? Email, offline, social networks. Let's say SEO. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Let's say e-commerce and then Amazon. How do you usually build links? We're not doing any of that. Manually, less than 500. This is no. What is the primary reason to monetize? How'd you hear about us? Word of mouth. Finish. So they allow you to use it for 24 hours. However, they're gonna let me know if I get approved or not, guys. I'm gonna let y'all know if I get approved or not. Be on the lookout for the next video. You also want to go ahead and enter your payments and tax information so that you can get paid. Let's see what that looks like real quick. I'm not gonna fill it out, of course, because I'm not. Why are they giving me this trouble? Whatever. I'm gonna pause this video now, and I'll keep you posted to let you know if I get approved.